Hello dear children, welcome to our digital school and a very warm welcome to our English class. Today we will do a new lesson in English and the name of our chapter is Bob and the Bathtub. What is this bathtub? You have this question, correct? See, can you see this? This is called as the bathtub. Normally, very big people who are very well known, they have such things in their bathrooms wherein water is filled and you can sit inside and take a bath. Let's read the lesson and see what this lesson has for us. My little brother Bob is 3 years old. He loves everybody and everything. But what he likes best is the bathtub. Bob doesn't care if the bathtub is full or empty. So this is Bob. He is 3 years old. He loves everyone and everything, but the best thing that he loves is the bathtub. It really doesn't matter for him whether the bathtub is full or empty. Every morning, Mom gives Bob a bath. Bob likes staying in the bathtub. He doesn't want to come out. Mom has to pull him out of the tub and Bob starts crying. So, every morning Bob's mother gives him a bath. Since he is a lover of bathtub, he never likes to come out of the bathtub. He likes to stay there, and with lot of force and energy, his mother has to pull him out of the bathtub. But at the end, Bob starts crying. Bob, you've been in the tub for an hour, says Mom. Now put on your clothes and drink your milk. No, cries Bob. No clothes, no milk. I wanna stay here. If the tub is empty, Bob throws his toys into the tub. Then he climbs in and starts playing with them. He plays until we make him get out. So we have to keep the bathroom door shut. So here, after giving him a bath, Mom is telling Bob that it is 1 hour. Now you come out, wear your clothes, drink your milk. And Bob, like a little baby, he starts crying again and he says, I don't want clothes, I don't want milk, I only want to stay here. And in case the tub is empty, he takes his toys, puts it inside the tub and he starts playing it there until somebody comes and pulls him out of the bathroom. And for this reason, their family, their mother, their father and their sister has to keep their bathroom door shut. Yesterday, Bob gave me a big shock. I filled the tub with water and bubble bath. Now what is bubble bath, you know? When we put some, some fragrance or something into the bathtub with water and we mix it, which gives it a nice smell and a nice fragrance. Before I got into the tub, the telephone rang. I shut the bathroom door and went to pick up the phone. A minute later, when I came back, the bathroom door was open. Now, one day, that is yesterday, it was a shocking day for everyone. Bob's sister filled the bathtub with bubble bath. She had mixed some flailing and nice fragrance into the water and bubbles were formed. And before she could enter the tub, the telephone rang and she went to pick up the phone call. And a minute later, when she was back, she saw that the bathroom door was open. Bob was in the tub with all his clothes on. He was covered with bubbles and he was not alone. Mac, our little dog, was with him in the tub. Can you see? This is Bob's sister and here is our Bob. He was inside the bathtub where he loved to stay every time. Not only he was with full clothes, he was completely covered with bubbles. And this little dog Mac was also with him in the bathtub. Now, Bob, what are you doing? I cried. I'm giving Mac a bath, he said. I yanked Bob and Mac come out of the tub and called my mother. Now, her sister was very angry. She asked him, what are you doing here? And he's like telling, I'm giving Mac a bath. I'm making this Mac also to take a bath. And she yanked means pulled out sharply, and suddenly she pulled him out and he said, just come out of the tub. And she angrily called her mother. Mother dried them off. Then she asked Bob, how did you get into the bathroom? Bob reached up on his toes and turned the doorknob. You know, in our homes also, we have a doorknob, the lock that we put on for the door. So he put it on back. I'm a big boy, he said with a happy smile. Last night, Dad locked the bathroom door. He put the key where Bob can't reach. So, after drying him up, his mother asked him, how did you open the bathroom door? How did you get inside? He just went on and he opened the door, just turned the doorknob and he said, I am a big boy. That also nicely with a happy smile. Can you see? He's smiling nicely. Yes, and because of his condition, since he could reach the keys, last night, what his dad did, you know? He took the bathroom key and he put it in a height where Bob can't reach. In this way, you know, Bob loved his bathtub, and if somebody loses attention, he would do all his masti. Yes, children, understood the story? It was a very sweet story, correct? Children, once again watch the video, read the lesson, stay home, keep studying. Meet you soon.